Welcome to English Podcast Academy. I'm happy you're here. Maybe you're in your kitchen right now. Maybe you're walking or just resting. Wherever you are, this time is for you. Today is the first part of our Slow English Kitchen series. We will learn 10 useful words. These are simple, clear, and easy to understand. Take your time. You don't need to remember everything now. Just listen. Let the words stay with you. Let English come slowly, like a quiet voice in your day. Let's begin. Plate. A plate is a flat dish. We put food on it. Plates are round. Some are white. Some have colors. You eat your lunch or dinner on a plate. Example: I put pasta on the plate. Yes, that was simple. Now let's try another one. Fork. A fork is a tool for eating. It has small metal points. You use a fork to pick up food. It is good for salad, meat, or pasta. Example: She eats her salad with a fork. I think you got that. Let's keep going. Knife. A knife is sharp. It cuts food. You can cut bread, vegetables, or meat with a knife. Be careful. It can hurt your hand. Example: He cuts the apple with a knife. Good. Now something a little softer. Spoon. A spoon is round. We use it for soup, yogurt, or rice. A spoon is safe and easy to hold. Example: I eat my soup with a spoon. Let's go from the table to your cup. Cup. A cup is small. It has a handle. You can drink tea or coffee in a cup. Cups are made of glass or ceramic. Example: She drinks hot tea in a cup. Yes, perfect. Now, let's talk about something clear. Glass. A glass is clear. It's for cold drinks like water or juice. You can see through a glass. Be careful, it can break. Example: He drinks cold water from a glass. Great. Now we use something a little deeper. Bowl. A bowl is deep and round. It holds soup, cereal, or fruit. A bowl is bigger than a cup. Example: I eat cereal from a bowl. You're doing very well. Let's move to cooking now. Pot. A pot is big. It is for cooking. You can boil soup, pasta, or vegetables in a pot. It goes on the stove. Example: The soup is cooking in the pot. Nice. And with a pot, we often use this. Pan. A pan is flat and wide. We use it to fry food like eggs or pancakes. A pan can get very hot. Example: She fries eggs in the pan. Let's finish part 1 with something hot. Stove. A stove is hot. It has fire or heat. We cook food on the stove using a pot or pan. Example: I cook rice on the stove. You did great. These are your first 10 kitchen words. Simple words, real examples. Calm learning. If some words were new, that's okay. You don't need to rush. You can listen again, tomorrow or any time you like. In the next video, we will learn 10 more kitchen words. We'll talk about the oven, the fridge, the microwave, and more. So stay with me. If this video helped you, please like it. Write a comment. Maybe tell me which word you liked the most. And don't forget to subscribe. That way, we can keep learning together. See you in the next video. And until then, let English stay with you, like a quiet part of your day.